How to simply control pimples. You need moisturizing lotion and baking soda. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with cream. Gently apply it to the pimples at least twice a day, especially before going to bed. After you've got rid of all the pimples, if you are a person that normally gets them, always add a little bit of baking soda in your moisturizer. You can see that those on the left are all gone, but I still apply the mixture there to make sure they don't come back. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and stay with us to see more future videos from life experience. Thanks for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.